The brain is a social organ. Today we focus on a foundational truth that often gets overlooked. Human brains evolved in relationship with other people. From the very beginning, survival depended on communication, cooperation, shared memory, and belonging. As a result, social connection is wired into the brain's biology. And research now confirms what experience has long shown, that social connection, purpose, and engagement are among the strongest protective factors for brain health. Conversely, chronic loneliness and social isolation are associated with the following: faster cognitive decline, increased risk of depression and anxiety, higher rates of chronic illness, and increased mortality risk. There are large population studies that have found that the health impact of persistent loneliness can be comparable to well-known risks like physical inactivity or smoking. This means social connection is not an extra. It's essential for the brain. When we interact with others through conversation, shared activity, or emotional connection, the brain activates multiple systems at once, such as our language networks, which support speaking and listening, attention systems that help us stay alert and responsive, and memory networks that retrieve shared experiences. Even emotion processing systems that reward tone, facial expression, and intent. Also are reward pathways that release neurotransmitters such as dopamine and oxytocin. And these chemicals play a very important role in reducing stress, improving mood, supporting learning and memory, and strengthening motivation and engagement. Social interaction also challenges the brain to shift perspective, interpret nuance, respond flexibly in real time. All of these processes support cognitive reserve. That's the brain's ability to adapt and compensate over time. Importantly, the brain does not require large social networks to benefit. I'll say that again. The brain does not require large social networks to benefit. The truth is, meaningful, consistent connection matters far more than the quantity. Even small interactions such as regular phone calls, shared routines, social conversations, they activate the social brain networks and support resilience. This brain health insight was brought to you by Resilient Health Communities. Let this be your reminder to use RHC's Power of 10 Brain Boost to boost your brain every single day. Thank you.